watching videos, right? Don't just keep watching smartphones,
Yes.
right? Okay.
So we keep watching videos. So because of that, we forgot to eat food.
Okay, we forget to eat,
Yes, we
right?
forget to eat food. So these are the reasons that
Okay. Okay. I like it. I have a lot of friends and they are fitness freak, you can say. They love going to gym, and they like, I would say that they're like buffalo or just kidding. Just kidding, Vrana, don't worry. They look like, I would say, extremely. They have a six packs and bicep and tricep. Everything is bulky. So, what do you think that the physical health, does it mean body shape, or physical health does it mean something different according to your understanding? Some people imagine that, okay, if I have six packs or five packs or whatever packs you have, it makes you a good person, or you have a bulky stomach, and you have a very, your stomach is very good, or maybe you're you are very tall. Does it make you strong? What do you think? Does it make people strong, or like, it's not good, it's a myth?
and so from my point of view, that it is a myth. It doesn't matter that how much strength you have. It basically, the meaning of health is you are physically, mentally, and from all the way you are, uh, like you are fit. Means you don't have any type of disease. You don't have any type of addiction like alcohol addiction and other addictions. So it means that it is health.
So you are saying it's a combination of physical, mental, social, and spiritual well-being, right? A person, okay, a person is very tall, so okay, but he is not mentally well. That can lead to a catastrophe in his or her life. So we need to be physically strong, mentally strong, socially strong, as well as spiritually strong.
Yeah, that is
So that's
called
very
as health.
important, right? That's very important.